Woo! Hey everyone, this is Gerald from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Da Nang, Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be live. We're going to be talking about a whole bunch of stuff, guys. We're going to be breaking down the CPI inflation. We're going to be breaking down what that is. We're also going to be talking about, wow, this could be something, guys. So I found something on the Bitcoin chart, and this is pretty important, guys. This could definitely indicate where Bitcoin could be going, where Dogecoin, where Luna Classic could be going, and all the other cryptocurrencies out there. So if this sounds interesting, let's get into it, guys. I'm going to break it down for you right here, right now. So remember, now this is financial advice. Just an OG in the house to express my opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and you knew that already. So we're seeing right now that the pre-markets are looking very good. We're seeing that, you know, the Dow Jones and the S&P is up, guys. So I think that we're going to have another green fantastic day out there. So that is pretty bullish. That is pretty fantastical in the house. What else is coming in? I thought I'd break down what inflation is, and you know, let's take a look. Let's absolutely take a look at it. So we're seeing that, you know, here in September, we're seeing that food and work or school is up about 91.4%. We're seeing airfare has gone up almost 43%. We're seeing utility is up, butter, margarine is up, you know, health insurance, public transportation. So everything is just insane. Energy is up 19%. Gasoline is up. Food tax preparation accounting, fruits and vegetables up 10.4%. Car insurance, used cars, everything is just going nuts, guys. The only thing that is down right now is car rentals, computers, uncooked beef steaks, sporting event tickets, televisions, and smartphones. So smartphones are down, down. So I guess in the inflation times, it is a good time to get yourself a smartphone. So get smart, get a phone. Let's take a look at what's going on with the fear and greed index out there. So fear and greed, you know, did go up yesterday. You know, remember we did have this whole pump after we had the CPI data. We had the dump, then around about 11 o'clock, just before lunchtime in New York, things went nuts, guys. Also, I'm going to be telling you why that happened. Why did we have this almost V-shaped recovery? And this has never happened before, guys. I mean, it's happened like 3 or 4 times, but it's insane, guys. It's absolutely insane. If you take a look at the DXY right now, we did see that yesterday the DXY, you know, shot down yesterday when we had the CPI data and quickly recovered. So that is not good. That is going to be pushing crypto in the opposite direction. So it is a glorious day to be alive in crypto right now. We are seeing that you know, Bitcoin yesterday, it went you know, went below 19,000, went to around about as low as about 18,000 and some change, and we have recovered back fast. Ethereum is up. It is up at my support level right now, so that is pretty good. So cryptos are looking pretty good. Hopefully this will continue. So we did see that yesterday Bitcoin went as low as $18,161. Wow. And then had a quick recovery, and it went as high as 19,505. So that is looking pretty good. And today we're right now at time of recording, we're at $19,718. So guys, this is insane, guys. I've not seen almost like a picture perfect V-shaped recovery. So hopefully this is not you know, this is not a fake out before the, you know, this is not a fake out before we have a huge dump to the downside. If you take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly right now, Bitcoin is looking pretty good on the weekly. Looks like we got 3 weekly candles right now in green. We got 2 days and 13 hours left to close this candle. So it's looking good. Everything's looking pretty good. If you take a look at the total market cap, we're seeing the market cap is up 5.24%. So this is insane, guys. Nobody was expecting that, and that's why a lot of shorts got liquidated. We're going to be talking about that and much more. So everything is looking very good out there. Where's our beloved Doji Woj? Almost 7%, and we're seeing that our Luna Classic, if we can find it, it's way down here. Let's go. Luna Classic is up almost 6.64%. So that is good. We're also going to be talking about TERRA LUNA CLASSIC USD, the stablecoin as well. So keep tuned, guys. Keep tuned. So if we take a look at the top 10 mentioned coins on Twitter right now, we're seeing Bitcoin, Ethereum, TERRA Classic USTC is going nuts right now. BNB, Solana, Shiba Inu, Chiles out there, TERRA LUNA CLASSIC, and Polygon, and Voyager. So this is what people are talking about. This is what people want to hear about. So this is kind of cool beans in the house. Absolutely cool beans. If you take a look at the daily on-chain flow right now, this is very positive, absolutely positive out there. So hopefully you guys are pumped right now. We're seeing that the net flow for Bitcoin is 161 million have flown off exchange, so that is good. We're seeing Ethereum has more money has flown onto exchanges in terms of Ethereum, because people were buying Ethereum low and have been selling at the high point today, so taking some profit there. But Bitcoin is looking pretty good. Also, take a look at this, guys. I came across this. I want to thank Trader Tardigram for this one. This is cool. Looks like Bitcoin forms a flag over the previous flag. So right there, that looks pretty good. And the yellow zone forms scholastic indicator, shows at least the second half of the flag where we are right now. Right here, guys, right here, the second half of the flag. It looks like the next pole low is going to be about 35,000. So right now we're at the bottom of this flag here, and the next pole low is about 35,000. So it looks like we could be going up, and you can see that a quick rebound often follows a dip. So you can see here we had this, we had this flagpole back in 2015. We went all the way down to the bottom of the flagpole right here. You can see the yellow line, and then we bounced to the top side of the flagpole. We saw the same thing down, top side of the flagpole, and here we're seeing exactly the same formation happening, and that is pretty good, and that's on the weekly right now. So it looks like we could see our next flagpole top, and that could be about $35,000 out there. So no emotion, don't be shaken out, guys. Keep holding, have diamond hands. Absolutely going to get there. It's just a matter of time. I mean, don't be surprised if you see things go down. Also, look at this. Do what you want with this information. This is from Mustache House. The best for altcoins right now is yet to come. History is absolutely repeating itself, and we're seeing that. If you take a look at, are we here? No. Are we here? No. So back in 2017, we had the same pattern. And look at the second impulse wave, then we had a top side. So we're seeing that we could be seeing a second impulse wave to the top. And we could see a huge, absolutely huge altcoin season happening in 2023. I mean, some people are saying that 2025 is going to be absolutely nutsoid, steroid, going crazy. Maybe it could come early. Maybe it could hit in 2023. Guys, what do you think? Do you think 2023 or 2025 is going to be the next bull, guys? So exactly as I predicted, looks like the leverage apes got rejected. So this is coming in from sentiment. So this is one of the reasons as well why we saw Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies pump yesterday after CPI. So it looks like traders shorted Bitcoin and altcoins heavily as the inflation news broke. And that's why we saw that big giant wick down. And then when BTC hit the 3-week high, shorts versus long exchange ratio at 2 p.m., UTC prices reversed course and began rising. Many were betting against crypto, got liquidated, prices moved toward the crowd's least expectation. So that's what happened, guys. A lot of people thought, look, CPI data is coming out. They all knew it, so everyone shorted the bejesus out of the market. But guess what? The whales, they said, we're not going to have any of this, and they started to buy back positions, and they pushed a Bitcoin uppity up. That liquidated the shorts. The short squeeze happened, and the shorts had to buy back the positions. That is what happened, guys. Absolutely what happened, guys. So that's just cool. Now, this is something, guys. This is absolutely something. This strategy has proven to be bulletproof in the past by the SME 200 crossing RSI green zone. So every time we have this is a great buy zone right here. Buy. So right now we're entering, and we are in a historic buy zone for Bitcoin. So this is a good time to be accumulating. And like I said, once we get into the sell the RSI red zone, we're not there yet, guys. We're not there. So all indicators are in that we could be seeing a nice flip to the upside, guys. It may take some time, but we're not there yet. But look, we're seeing that the Bitcoin envelope, we're seeing time and time again, we hit this bottom, acts as support, and then after that we have a huge pump to the upside. So that is looking pretty good as well. Let's take a look. It's going with the Doge Wojo. So Doge Wojo on the 4 hours looking mighty fine out there. We are at 6 cents now. Yesterday, when we had this whole Debbie Downer, we went down to like 5.5 cents, and we have quickly recovered. So this is cool, guys. We quickly recovered. If we take a look at where we were at the bottom to where we are now, we quickly recovered almost 10%, guys. So Dogecoin is looking fantastic. Everything looking pretty good out there. If you take a look at what's happening for Dogecoin right now, we are up 6.67%, and it's at 6 cents. So the 6 cents is holding like crazy, so that is pretty good. We're seeing the volumes are up as well, 41% at 400 million, and we're seeing the market cap, oh yeah, baby, back above $8 billion. So that's where we want to be. That's where you want to be. So what else is coming in? We saw this is coming in, and right now we can see that analyzing Dogecoin price movements. So let's jump into what's happening with Dogecoin. So the recent ongoing bear market has put Dogecoin below the 20 and 50-day exponential moving average, and which is a metric used to measure trend lines over a period of time. So we can see that Dogecoin has been below the 20 and 50-day moving average, but however, Dogecoin bulls are kept under control by Dogecoin trend line, and reversal has failed to sustain a 0.6 high liquidity zone over the last days. So right now we're actually above the 0.6 cents liquidity zone, and that is where most of the liquidity is right now. So that is pretty good. We did go as low as 0.57, but we have bounced back up to the liquidity zone. So what is really important is we need to test the 0.62 level. If we can get above the 0.62 level, then we definitely going to be going up and reversing the upside. However, the current price of Dogecoin is very appealing. So a lot of people are going to be buying the dips and picking things up. But guys, keep in mind that if we continue to break down below the 0.62 level, then we could see that our next support level is around about 0.471. So from that perspective, if we break down below that 0.471 support level, we could see ourselves going down to as low as 0.267. So guys, just buckle up, be careful. Then we have another support zone at 0.14. So I don't think it's going to get that bad. I really believe that the 6 cent level is going to hold. And I believe that worst case scenario, we could see 0.471 coming in for the Doge, guys. So tell me what you think about that. I'd love to hear what you got to say. And right now we're seeing for the Dogecoin army, the Dogecoin lovers out there. Don't forget, we're going to be talking about TERRA LUNA CLASSIC and TERRA LUNA CLASSIC USD. So don't panic out there. We're seeing that almost 49% of the Dogecoin holders are back in the money and 44% are out. Mainly bearish right now, but I think that overall we're going to see some fire for the Dogecoin, and we could be going uppity up. So let's jump into Luna Classic right now. We're seeing Luna Classic burns are almost at 19 billion tokens. That is huge. Don't forget, next week we got the Binance fee burn coming as well. Right now we're seeing the TERRA LUNA Classic price is really not doing too much. It's just going sideways. It did dump down yesterday after we had this whole debacle out there, but we have recovered nicely from the CPI data, and that has taken us up almost around about 10%. So we're up about the same amount as Dogecoin. So that is pretty good. Quick recovery out there, and that quick recovery was really led by Bitcoin, and that's really what pumped up the markets. So if we take a look at Luna on the short term, I just think that we're just going to be going sideways. We're going to be range bound, guys, and just expect that. Don't expect anything. Also, a lot of people who are holding Luna Classic and a lot of people that have Luna Classic are now kind of have been distracted by TERRA LUNA CLASSIC USD. So that's what's going to happen, and we're going to be talking about that. So let's take a look at what's going on right now. So TERRA LUNA CLASSIC up 6.31%. So that is cool beans. We're almost at $395 million out there. It's up 1.94%. And our market cap is looking pretty healthy at about 1.743 billion. That's up about 8.53%. So that is good, guys. Absolutely good out there. So news-wise out there, nothing really much happening. But guys and gals, we are seeing right now that the TERRA LUNA CLASSIC USD is down about 2.76%. But we did have a nice pump yesterday. And one of the reasons we had this pump was just in Binance as TERRA USTC as a new borrowable asset price jumps. So we are seeing that the world's largest crypto exchange, Binance, has extended support for the TERRA LUNA Classic as it adds TERRA LUNA Classic USD as a borrowable asset. So one of the reasons that people are aping into TERRA LUNA Classic right now is a lot of people have, there's this whole thing about it's going to repeg and it's going to be doing this. So we have seen from here to here, from where it was at 2 cents to now to where we are right now, and around about just below 6 cents, we're seeing that almost 1x has happened in a very short period of time. So it is pretty cool beans. A lot of people are aping into that. Guys, just be careful out there. There's no real big news out there. Let's check if there's any big news out there for TERRA LUNA Classic out there, TERRA LUNA Classic USD. Let's get it. News. So news-wise, other than, we had that, the Binance borrowable asset, also TERRA LUNA Classic jumps over 35% last 24 hours because of the repeg proposal. So there's a lot of talk about the repeg. If it's actually going to happen or not, I don't know. But like I said, this is absolutely a lottery ticket out there. So do what you will. Smash the likes, comment. Do you think that the TERRA LUNA Classic USD is a lottery ticket, or is it something that's going to happen and it's going to get repegged? I mean, I think it's going to take a while for us to get repegged, but just keep on keeping on. Once again, it wouldn't hurt to, it's not financial advice, but I threw a couple bucks in there just to see what's going to happen, guys. So let's take a look at what's going on right now with the Shiba Weeby right now. So Shiba Weeby had a very nice bounce back and looking very, very good, guys. From the bottom yesterday, from where we were here to all the way where we are. Let me fix the chart. Fix it up. So, So where we were at the bottom yesterday to where we are now, we've gone up almost around about 12%. So Shiba Inu bounced back very hard, very fast, but we're still below our 11 support line, and at least we're above the 10. So I don't think we're going to be dropping back down, because we did go down below 8, and that was looking pretty gnarly, pretty nasty out there. But Shiba Inu is looking pretty good. I think we're just going to go sideways along the support line for a couple of days. Let's take a look at what's going on with Ethereum right now. Ethereum had a nice bounce. If we take a look at the CPI data when it came out yesterday and to where we are right now, we have gone up almost 12%. So Ethereum is coming back like crazy. So guys, we are back above our support level, the $1,330 level, $1,330 support level. So that's looking crazy, looking fantastic out there. So some other good news that's coming in right now, we can see that so far October we're up 1.36%. We're seeing that January Debbie Downer, February was pretty good, March was good, April, May, June stinkers out there, and June we lost 37%. Wow. And that was because of the TERRA LUNA CLASSIC DPEG and the Dogecoin thing. July we picked up again, and then August we're down, September we're down, but October looks like we could be having October. I mean, typically if you look at what's happened in October in 2021, 40%, 2020 almost 30%. 2019, we've only actually had one bad month. It was 2018, but we're seeing that October is pretty significantly a good month out there. So hopefully with this trend reversal will continue, and we're going to get a breakout, guys. We absolutely need a breakout. So that's going to bring this video to a close, guys and gals. So show some love, show some support. Don't forget to smash the likes, subscribe, BYB. Super thanks would be appreciated. Super thanks if you're watching in live chat. And also, too, don't forget to check down there. You know what that's all about. And don't forget to get the merch, guys. Get the merch. I love it. You love it. Let's get it right now. So, guys, all I got to say, that's all I got. Be blessed. Be well. Peace out.